Welcome to Sightseeing Channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of one of the world's most iconic destinations, Miami Beach, Florida. Get ready to be captivated by its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and endless entertainment. Let's get started. Miami Beach is more than just a beach, it's a lifestyle. With its crystal clear turquoise waters, soft white sands, and swaying palm trees, it's no wonder this slice of heaven attracts millions of visitors each year. People enjoying the beach, swimming, sunbathing, playing volleyball. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Miami Beach has it all. Unwind on the beach, soak up the sun, or indulge in water sports like jet skiing and paddleboarding. Miami Beach is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. The Art Deco District is a vibrant neighborhood boasting colorful buildings, stylish shops, and trendy restaurants. It's like stepping back in time while enjoying modern-day luxuries. As the sun sets, Miami Beach transforms into a playground for partygoers. From world-renowned clubs to cozy rooftop bars, there's something for everyone. Dance the night away, enjoy live music, or simply soak in the electric atmosphere. Miami Beach is a melting pot of cultures, offering a unique blend of Latin, Caribbean, and American influences. Explore Little Havana for authentic Cuban cuisine and vibrant music. Indulge in fresh seafood at South Beach's trendy restaurants. Miami Beach is a destination that promises unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready to experience the magic of this tropical paradise. Now I will let you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content. Let us know in the comments your favorite Miami Beach moments, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing travel destinations.